Welcome to our Get Inspired tool. Today, we'll be exploring our Modify Design feature. On the left side, click on Modify Design. To upload your image, click on the Upload Data button. Now, go to the upload area and either click or drag and drop to upload your image. Below your image, you'll see a scale bar. Use it to adjust the size of the eraser tool. Erase the area you want to modify. Click on the prompt area and enter your description of how you want to modify the marked area. Go to the right side and click on Modify. The modification process may take a few seconds. On the left side you'll see your original image. On the right side is the modified version. By clicking on the See Full Image button, you can view a larger version of the image. You also have the option to download your image or explore other features like the Variation or Color Extractor tool. On the left side, you'll find your history of past designs, which you can choose to hide or show.